Hey guys, so today we are at the Mirage and it's by Christmas time. It's cold. I don't know why I'm saying that, but let me show you the room. This door to me is so iconic. You wanna know why? Vegas Vacation. It's the same door from Vegas Vacation. So okay, so we're starting at the door. Let's lock it. Starting at the door. This is a king. Just this is their basic standard base room, okay? I'm gonna flip it, the bed, but let's start with the bathroom. Let's go this way. Start to the bathroom. Have a mirror. Nice size. It's kind of a small bathroom compared, but it's okay. And this like makeup mirror, sink, towel cubbies and stuff. I like how they give extra toilet paper and extra Kleenex because today my nose is not having a good time. My allergies are really bad. They have shampoo, conditioner, cleansing soap. They have no body wash, but this is a 2-in-1. But I don't know. I'm probably gonna call there and ask for like a body wash or another shampoo if I could use for it. But the mirror, 2 cups, some they say napkins, but Kleenex, sorry. And then we come back out here. There's a closet over here is me. Hi, I don't have any makeup on today. And then my little duffel that I brought. The safe is in the closet. Hangers, like usual. Bag for dry cleaning. Ironing board. And then another mirror on this side. Oops. And then a dresser right here on this wall with the lamp. And then the bed with the alarm clock, stuff like that. Light, another dresser. Let's open it. I don't know why I was expecting something in there. A painting. Like I said, this is the basic base room. Barry's on the bed. I got a king bed. Oh, I didn't turn on these lights up here. Oh, I gotta go to the other side. On this one, I wasn't prepared. I thought I turned on every light. But there's lights above, which is nice. It adds to it. And then you flip on this side. The TV is there. There's a little mini area. And then there's a refrigerator. Let's open it. Ooh, that's full. It's full. I'm not touching anything because I don't want to get charged. Well, I can, you know, but I don't want to. Okay, let's close that all the way. And we have more drawers. There's a lot of drawers in here. A lot. So you'll be okay with your clothes and stuff. These are pretty deep. And then the ice bucket and stuff. TV. And then over here has an actual desk. Has somewhere you'll sit on this side and then an actual desk chair on this side. This is my phone, my glasses and stuff. Another lamp. I like how they have like these ports right here for your, there's USB regular stuff. And then like HDMI, sorry. And like different type of powers and stuff. So if you want to bring like your Xbox or PlayStation or whatever, you can. And then we flip to this way, and here's the view. I only have one side open because there's walls right here, so might as well just keep this side closed. But this is facing north. There's the Trump Tower right there, and then right there we have Resorts World. Let me move over here so you can see it better. I have Resorts World, and then Treasure Island. You can only see the treasure. But this is facing north. There's Palace Station on the distance. Ooh, got close. The freeway. There's Planet 13. The Fashion Show Mall is right there. Right here, this building. Fashion Show Mall. And then the other part of the Vegas. When I first checked in, well, I checked in mobily, the thing Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little. I'm gonna give you guys a little tip. You could check in mobily, but if you try to check in early, like say like they give you like a little time thing where you could check like what time you're arriving, and if you're arriving earlier, from my experience, they will give you a way lower, like they'll give you a room like around, say around 11 o'clock, like you could come in and check in or whatever, and like use your digital key or go and get a regular key, but they'll give you a lower floor, like because I the night before, like last night, because I just booked this room last night, I was able to check in on my app, so I did that so that I could get a notification when my room's ready. But then turn this way, I don't know why, but then around 11 o'clock I got an email and a ding on my phone saying, oh, your room's ready. I checked the room. It was on the second floor. So, but the cool thing about MGM is you can request a higher floor and they won't charge you, because since my room's on the second floor, I'm like, no, I don't want a second floor. So I called the front desk and I was like, hi, I just got my room set, it was ready on the app, and I'm on the second floor, can I get a higher floor? So now we're on the 20th floor for no extra charge. And I did this at, I say MGM because I did this at Mandalay Bay. I did this at Mandalay Bay twice, the same thing, because I like to get in the room kind of as early as possible, plus I don't want to wait in the check-in line at 3 o'clock. So usually like with the app it's really good, but you have to call if they give you a lower room, a lower floor if you prefer a higher floor. But yeah, that's like a little tip. And that's like the only, MGM is the only one I know that doesn't charge you extra for going up a higher floor. I don't know if Caesars does it because I never tried it at Caesars, or at the Cosmo. I haven't tried it because I got pretty high floors at the Cosmo originally. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go because my friend is coming over to hang out with me and stuff. And yeah, but I'm gonna go. And thank you guys for watching. And yeah, all right, see you guys in the next vlog or the next room tour. All right.